Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say Achimota youths, this one they happen inside Ghana. They don't catch one police officer, and this police officer, aside the normal police work, this man they deal in igbo selling and hard drugs. This one shocked me because I never see where the officer of the law now they supply people with igbo weed and different types of things. This one ain't another kind of level. You will be saying, are you supposed to seize this thing for people? Now you can't go for victim. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me, see.
Why don't you give it to me? Why don't you give it to me?
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
This is me. Yes.
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
Really? Ogo, I want to take money from you to party. I want to take money from you. You catch the thing. You put your pocket inside. You take money. Me. See, look my first one. Me.
Now wow, but I beg as I look this man, on I sure say this one a real officer. Cause the way when they even talk, they even confuse me. On I sure say this one no be drunkard in uniform. Because everything when they talk, it just they talk us upside down. Then they ask them, are you the one supplying the talk saying, did you see me collect any money? Who they ask you about money? They see you in possession of all these kind of things. You did they explain what you will not understand. But I beg you even give this one uniform in the first place. Because they very certain say this man a chronic drunkard. Make we come out the first saying be police. Person will be say he go stand for road. Don't drink or go. Stand there saying they control. Now all this kind of police now they misbehave for road. If you tell them another thing, they go talk another thing. And if no be say these guys arrest hold this man, I sure say if saying hold gun, he go just attack these people. Because with the looks of things, he no even dey in the right senses. Now why they always talk and say police say anywhere they dey for the work, they suppose they do monthly screening for their brain. Because most of them they know they okay. I don't know why most of them they join the force behind because of the salary where they pay them. Because most of them no get pure mind. Because how you go there say you won't be police. Now you go come they supply agro with things. It don't make sense that it not even good at all. And now they very certain say you in a corrupt cop. Now you would even give your guns to criminals. May they go they rob. And I should say other corrupt cops cops now they call themselves. They even day like this. But just because they never even catch them. Now why all this kind of one they happen? This one I don't even need to call on IGP. I they very certain say the man will carry your matter put for head. I they very certain say by now that your uniform self they don't come out for your body. They don't go drop you one place. Because all of us know say the Ghana IGP they take nonsense. But begging as a police officer, act according to your work. If there's okay time for work, behave like say you dey work. And if you know say one day drink, quit the work, go sit down for your house, turn drunkard. Because this one way you do it never even make sense at all. How you will be supposed to address your citizens and now you can't go join them. Anyways, my people, now here I will end them on this matter. Soon I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, you can stay tuned for our next story. This one, I want terrible something wey happen to one girl inside Lekki. This lady they claim say she dey her lane they wait for bus. Now there some kind guys just want attack her. They begin beat her, they talk saying she dey among people where they agitate for justice. Before this girl go even come out and make she explain herself say she no even know what these people they talk about. Next thing they don't carry cutlass, use and start to butcher this girl body. For my people who never watch this one, can I follow me see?
Last night I was attacked on my way back from tennis by two guys whom I thought were passerby because I was standing at the bus stop waiting for vehicle. Only for one of them to shine light on my face. Say Omo me from panel. She be nona. They claim say nona sabi pass. And I don't want to stop abi. Say if they kill me, make I say I go take continue to agitate for justice. Time I tell you, I don't know what to talk. They start hitting me. See on my back. See on my back. See my hand. They start cutting me. I see my legs like I'm a thief. I survived by the grace of God, because I thought I would die at that bus stop.
May God have mercy on us for inside this Nigeria where we do. Because I dey very certain say these guys na agberu. Some people they talk say na cultist. This one no fit be cultist. If say na cultist, at least they will know say okay, they identify this person. These ones that they talk about say the person they fight for justice. I beg na crime to fight for justice again. Because I don't know who send them these two Numbu boys to begin enter road now they fight person. What if she even there among the people where they fight? Okay, they won't fight for their right. I beg, I don't know since when Nigeria turn to dictatorship land. Where be say person now no fit come as I claim your own right. Now this innocent lady where be say she no even can't know anything about this matter. Or na just see her identify her. Now the next one na carry machete begin butcher. I beg una no they get conscience. If na they do all these kind of things, sometimes I dey wonder if na even get una they cut person blood they come outside. Una still continue to the court and say una want teach her lesson to who I beg to see. Because the person wanna they pass the message to, we don't even know who wanna they pass on to. So I don't see why na go they attack innocent people. Like this, it don't reach stage where we say all these groom thugs have been attacked. They supposed to pack all of them come off from road. Because look, waiting be their usefulness exactly. All these boys where we say they work for Tinubu, they collect money. I beg, what do they do? Because money they collect, I never hear for one day they add them to the budget. See, this money they use and they pay for road, I bet they use them for so. Now their personal pocket they go into. And most of all these people we say they be armed robbers and criminals. Now mostly all these agberu. If they don't get work again, then they use this one as side also. So what I thought they still inside Nigeria for? Waiting police people still allow these people they rule for. It's high time they begin arrest these people. Because make they look, even Tinubu campaign time never reach you. Just because a person fight for justice, they don't go attack. I beg if campaign can't reach you. If people come there against Tinubu, I beg what thing will happen? It means at that time everywhere go they bloody. They go kill everybody come off from road. Hopefully I just pray say these guys will commit this one, they will catch them and arrest them. Because now no go just go they kill innocent people for road. They talk say on they fight for our own right. On they fight for one baba we say we don't even understand what the baba they do for our country. This matter really pay me for my people now. Yeah, I go end up on this matter. Soon I go on a short break, but before then you can stay tuned for our next story. I hear say unknown government don't go kill and adopt some people where they travel along the Abuja-Kaduna expressway. And among these people now where they kill, I hear say the former APC governor aspirant by name Mr. Sagir Hamidu say this man they among these people where they kill. And based on the border, they claim say they travel before they go see. Now there this unknown government go block road, just begin to open fire on them. Begin shoot them for broad daylight. This one they even happen for afternoon. And they don't do them anything. Now so these people just come begin attack them. For my people who never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Oh my God! Oh my God! They've carried our friends. We're just coming from Kaduna. Today is 21st November. Oh my God! The Lord is faithful. Thank you for saving our lives. This is life kidnapping. This is kidnapping life in broad daylight. Thank God for our life. Thank you, God, for saving us. You got my chisel. Thank you, God. Life now. Correct. You can hear the gunshot. God is faithful. Can hear the gunshot. It's leader. God is faithful. Correct. You can hear the gunshot. You can hear the gunshot. Scaring them away. You can hear the gunshot. Life gunfire going on. God is faithful. Gunfire going on. Yes, sir. To the past somebody. They don't carry. They have kidnapped some people. What's happened? La ilaha illallah. Oh God. Let's ask some people. So someone is been shot. Oh shit! Right inside his car. Oh God. So he's happening life on our way back. Oh shit! He's been shot. He's been shot. Order! Individual! Yeah! Individual here! God! What did I tell you? See individual! Hey, it's Gabosimu! They carry our friend. Hey, they don't carry our friend. Hey, see our friend. Hey, Jesus! I tell you, say this car! Hey! You say me also like oh, Jesus, they carry our friend. Oh God! Oh God of creation! Oh God!
Now wow, where person will even hide put again like this inside Nigeria? Even for broad daylight now, they kidnap person. How much more for night? It means that they go even carry person destiny, join together and move away. This country, it don't dey fear me. But Mr. Man, all of us know say this road no dey safe. Say this Kaduna Abuja road, it dey risky. And we don't say you be governorship aspirant, it means say you get money. I beg, wetin happen to flight? Wetin make you no just enter flight in peace? Because this one now, you don't go risk your life, you don't die. You even lock yourself, say your fellow brothers no even follow you. And I hear say when these people they attack, if you just go do mistakes, say you won't run, they don't shoot you. I beg, they offend on. Because I don't even understand all these bandits. They don't do on anything. If person say make you run for in life, you get on they shoot. I beg, which offense we even commit? Now land on they fight for Abina because of money. Because this whole attack, it don't become very, very scary. And me, instead of carrying people away, at least make an active waiting and want if now money, if now what, make an take and leave these people alone. Which one be killing now with they carry people they go? And I beg our government, I know be on no they notice say this road they very risky. Because I know some they pass but because some they use flight and I won't do like say no they see what they happen for them. And I don't talk and ties with that number. This kind road, make checkpoints, police checkpoint, there for every place. Make at least whoever they pass, they go know say okay, this one a normal human being, this one a bandit. But till now, no, on not do anything. On just leave the road just like that. But Eastern road, where we say nothing they happen for on carry security, like say what won't happen for them. Put them for road. The place where we say wahala they shell like won't come on not do anything for them. And I hear say this attack will happen, it even last for over 2 hours. 2 whole hours, now these people there they rape people and our so-called armed forces. When they claim say if now something critical they happen, now there they record it. So this time on I know here say they call now for this kind of attack. But if now Lekki Tobuto on a go don't rush, we on a close and I go shoot. The one way be so on a go face criminal, make now 2 fights hand by hand on a no command for down. This Nigeria I just they look here. I know say all this way they do it now planting. Because if now look this man dead, it be like say they just plan assassinate this man. Because how they go tell no say this man won't pass this lane at that particular time. When we say they can't go block the road, make now doing an investigation well. But me I see the advice person. If you know say you no get money, people I beg sit down for your house. Nothing supposed carry you past that road because all of us know say that road na danger. If you pass there, someone if they don't even kidnap you or something go miss. So you go just dey good, make you stay your house, I beg you. Because people no get ransom, we no fit come they do go fund me because of you. Now why would they announce now? Stay your house, that road no dey safe. And make government self find something to do about that place. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Soon I'm gonna go on a short break, but before then, you can stay tuned for our next story.